Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaker's resource hub. Today we are going to show you how to make golden graham treats, a bar cookie that tastes like s'mores. They're easy to make and they are a family favorite. I'm not sure of the origin of this recipe, but if you know, please put it in the comments below so they can get credit. Butter a 9 by 13 inch pan or a square pan depending on how thick you want your golden graham treats. I like to use parchment paper instead of butter because it is just so easy to pull out the golden graham treats and cut them easier, but it does cost just a little bit more. Measure out your cereal in a medium to large bowl. I used between 5 to 6 cups of cereal because I like my bars really gooey, but you can use up to 8 cups of cereal depending on your preferences. In another bowl, measure out 5 cups of marshmallows. In a small bowl, measure out an additional 1 cup of marshmallows to add at the end. I usually measure out my vanilla and corn syrup as well and just set them on the counter until I am ready to use them. I also cut open the bag of chocolate chips. Now we are ready to begin making the recipe. In a large saucepan, melt 6 tablespoons of butter. It doesn't work as well if you just add the hard butter at the same time with some of the other ingredients, but all is not lost, as you can see on the video. Add 5 cups of marshmallows, 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 1½ cups of milk chocolate chips. Milk chocolate chips taste different than semi-sweet, so make sure you get the right kind. It makes a difference in this recipe. Put your burner on a low heat and stir constantly until all the ingredients are melted. Remove it from the heat and then stir in the vanilla. Add your golden grahams and mix well. Then you stir in your extra cup of marshmallows. Press this mixture into a buttered 9 by 13 pan. You can butter the back of a spoon and use it to press down if it isn't working out too well. Let the bars sit until they're a little bit firm or place them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut them and enjoy. These freeze really well. We have some bloopers at the end if you're interested in watching them. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this. Yeah, sometimes I really have issues trying to open this butter. The marshmallows just are not cooperating. No. Whoops, I should have added the vanilla first. Oh well. Too late, huh? Whoops.